Riding the new wave in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the phrase, new wave. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means, where it comes from, and how to use it in sentences. Let's catch this wave together. New wave is made up of two simple words. New, which means something recent or not old, and wave, which typically refers to a movement of water in the sea or an ocean. When these two words are combined, they can literally mean a fresh movement or surge of water. Over time, new wave has taken on cultural meanings beyond its literal one. In the late 1970s and 1980s, new wave became closely associated with a genre of music. New wave music was known for its unique blend of electronic sounds, punk rock, and pop. Famous bands like Blondie, Talking Heads, and The Cars are often labeled as new wave artists. So, if someone mentions new wave music, they're talking about this specific genre. The phrase, new wave, can also be used more broadly to describe any new movement or trend in art, fashion, or thought. For example, there's a new wave of painters emerging from South America. The fashion industry is experiencing a new wave of sustainable designs. The new wave of young activists is changing the political landscape. This means that the phrase isn't limited to just music. It can apply to any area where there's a fresh and innovative movement happening. Alright, we've surfed the new wave together. Now you know that this phrase can describe a literal wave, a music genre, or a fresh trend in any field. We hope this lesson has added another useful phrase to your English vocabulary. Keep riding the waves of learning, and see you in the next video.